Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you how to view the dislike counts on YouTube once again. This method works seamlessly in both the Brave and Chrome browsers. And it should function on other browsers as well. Although I've only tested this too, here's a simple step-by-step guide. Open your Brave or Chrome browser, navigate to the extension section and click on the web store. On the search bar, type return YouTube dislike. Click add to Brave or add to Chrome to install the extension. Once the installation is complete, return to YouTube and make sure you refresh the page to activate the extension. Click on any video and you'll see the dislike counts restored. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it.